Start. Today, India is one among the top 10 industrial nations of the world. Stop. Industrial development has changed India's economy status from underdeveloped to developing countries. Stop. Industrial development today is considered as prerequisite for modern economic development. Stop. That is why all countries of the world, whether big or small, rich or poor, and developed or developing, are channelizing their resources to promote rapid industrialization. Stop. Before the rise of the modern industrial system, India had a flourishing state of cottage and household industries, and Indian manufacturers had a worldwide market. Stop. Indian Muslim, cotton and silk fabrics, calicos, artistic wires, etc. were in great demand all over the world. Stop para. The real beginning of modern industries in India started with the establishment of cotton textile industry at Mumbai in 1854. Stop. But post-independence witnessed a change in character and purpose of industrialization. Stop. Identifying the need of a well-developed industrial sector, in 1951, India's Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru announced that India had to become industrialization as fast as possible. Stop. The policy makers did everything they could to improve the state of the manufacturing sector in India. Stop para. Manufacturing sector is critical to Indian economy as it promises to provide gainful productive unemployment, shift to surplus agricultural labor to industries, reduce import bill, and hence rationalize fiscal and current account deficit along with earning in export sector through promotion of special economic zones. Stop para. The industrial growth before 1991 can be categorized into three main time periods. Stop. These are first phase major industries were sugar, cotton textiles, jute, iron and steel, smelting, chemicals, petroleum, non-metallic minor mineral product, basic items, etc. Stop para. Phase second major industries were basic goods, capital goods, high technology industries, ferrous metal, construction material and mechanical engineering industries. Stop para. Phase third major industries were consumer durables, export oriented industries, modern technology based industries, petroleum product, non elastic machinery, food beverage, etc. Stop para. To realize the dream of development of industries, Indian government adopted certain industrial regulations and 5-year plans. Stop. The first industrial policy regulation, 1948, contemplated a mixed economy, reserving a sphere for the private sector and another for public sector. Stop. Then it was industrial policy regulation, 1956, which laid down new classification of industries. Stop. Fair and non-discriminatory treatment of private sector, encouragement of village and small industries, removing regional disparities. Stop. This policy was based upon Mahalanobis model of growth, which suggested that there should be an emphasis on the heavy industries and led the Indian economy to a higher growth rate. Stop para. The 1956 regulation was followed by Industrial Policy 1977, 1980 and the most important Industrial Policy of 1991. Stop. The 1991 policy envisages to culminate the gradual liberalization since 1956 and unshackle the Indian economy from cobways of bureaucracy, introduce liberalization, remove restriction on direct foreign investment and free the domestic entrepreneur from restrictions on monopolistic and restrictive Trade Practice Act. Stop. Indian economy, hitherto a closed economy, was opened to the forces and elements of globalization. Stop. The abolition of industrial licensing, dismantling of price controls, dilution of reservation of small scale industries and virtual abolition of monopoly law enabled Indian industry to blossom. Stop para. Apart from industrial policy, the 5-year plan devised by the Planning Commission also shaped industrial development in India. Stop. Though the first 5-year plan was agricultural plan, industry was not totally neglected. Stop. Hindustan Machine Tool, Integral Coach Factory, UP Government Cement Factory, etc. were set up during the first 5-year plan. Stop para. The tempo of industrial development gathered momentum during second 5-year plan, which adopted Mahabilonis model with major industries like Rourkela Steel Plant, Bhilai Steel Plant, etc. The subsequent plans also focused on industries but were without considerable success. Stop. It was the 8th 5-year plan which followed Industrial Policy Regulation 1991 and the Popular Reform Liberalization, Privatization and Globalization ignited the fire for the industrialization in India, which continued in all the subsequent plans. Stop para. Small scale industry is recognized by the Government of India as a priority sector as it paves way for rapid industrialization. Stop. It is a prerequisite for balanced growth, is employment intensive and export earning. Stop. Measures towards its development have been taken since first 5-year plan and received special emphasis in 11th and 12th 5-year plan. Stop. The 12th 5-year plan envisaged capacity building, credit guarantee, launch of venture capital, etc. for micro, small and medium enterprises. Stop para. In 2015, the NDA government announced Make in India scheme, a major national initiative designed to foster innovation, enhance skill development, protect intellectual property and build best-in-class manufacturing infrastructure. Stop. But Make in India cannot be sustained without encouragement to entrepreneurship, hence, Startup India took birth. Stop. To encourage entrepreneurship amongst scheduled caste, scheduled tribes and women, Startup India was launched, which also promised additional boost to medium, micro and small enterprises sector and add to scheme for refinancing macrofinance sector stop. The national manufacturing policy also envisaged developed national investment and manufacturing zone as integrated industrial townships with state of the art infrastructure and land use stock.
थैंक यू। इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन को प्रेस करें ताकि लेटेस्ट वीडियो की जानकारी आप तक सबसे पहले पहुंच सके। वीडियो को लाइक और डिसलाइक अवश्य करें। कोई सुझाव और प्रश्न हो तो कमेंट बॉक्स में लिखें और वीडियो को अपने फ्रेंड्स और क्लासमेट्स को शेयर करें।